Oh my god, he's gonna place the final builds, final blocks. Let's freaking
Oh
go,
my
bro. I'm done with
gosh,
my
look at
bro,
you,
what?
Henry.
Dude, where have you been?
Dude, why
Dude,
do you
leave me
just
alone,
spend
bro.
your
I'm tired of
time
you, bro.
building on the server?
No, bro.
This is why the
Don't
server's
do
so
this, bro. Please
boring,
don't do
bro.
this.
Because no one actually like
Don't
wants
do
to
this, bro.
grind.
Stop.
You're so poor. I
PvP's
can
going off.
kill you in like 2
PvP's going
hits,
off.
bro.
PvP's going off. You're not killing me, bro. I
Oh
already
my
seen this
gosh.
coming. Dude, stop!
Bro, are you
Dude,
serious?
what the hell, bro? I know I'm poor,
Oh
bro.
my
Oh my god.
Dude.
Dude, let's just bro, look at all the houses I built, bro. You don't care, dude? Look, man. Look, bro.
You know what? I knew you were gonna do this, bro. I knew you were gonna do this. You see all this TNT, Henry?
No. Dre, please don't do this,
See
bro.
all this TNT,
Please don't
bro?
do this, bro. I took
Dude.
forever to build this, bro.
I'm tired, bro.
No.
Because all you do is build.
No, stop. You know what? Stop, bro. Just stop, bro. Oh my god, it's over. It's over.